The Vanta iX inline XRF analyzer performs fully automated analysis for high-volume process control. The Vanta iX analyzer can be controlled by a PC or integrated with a PLC for automated start-stop, data acquisition, decision-making, and communication to external devices. Here's how it works. A sample is placed over the probe head for analysis. The probe head emits X-rays to measure the sample material. Using this information, the Vanta iX analyzer can quickly and non-destructively verify the alloy grade and chemistry to determine if the material meets specification and displays a grade match or makes a pass-fail determination. With continuous measurements of titanium to uranium on any surface for the CW model, and the MR model can measure magnesium to uranium, the Vanta iX can deliver results in the form of material chemistry, accurate grade identification, or pass-fail results. The Vanta iX system has intelligent operation and connectors, making it easy to integrate with new or existing PLC-controlled processes. The Vanta iX is IP-rated and has a durable capped-on mesh window for the CW model, and the MR model has a Proline window, built to sustain 24/7 operation with high levels of vibration, electromagnetic and acoustical noise, dust, and moisture.